Okay, alright gentlemen, my name is Abdul Basit Ali and I'll be teaching you financial modeling. So as you can see on the screen right over here, this is a company ABC company rental model. So we'll be building a rental model. Let's see the main theme what I'll be teaching you today. So ABC is a company that will construct 3 buildings and then put these buildings on lease. We will build a financial model to analyze these investments. So before starting let me tell you that I have provided the link to this raw excel file in the description, and you can download the file from over there and just follow along. Okay, so let's dig let's dig in. Assumptions. Let's go to the lease rentals revenue, and this is over here. So this is our building 1 floor space information. Annual increase in rent per square foot. So what is going to be annual increase in our rent? Let's say it's going to be 10%. Available area for rent. So what does this mean? Let me go over here. So let's suppose this over here is a building and we want to put it on lease. By lease we mean want to put it on rent. So what we'll be doing, and we are charging rent per square foot. So this is the total amount of area that would be chargeable to rent. So I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So area available for rent, let's put it 80%. Rent per square foot per month. Okay, so let's charge 300 rent per square foot per month, and this in the first year is going to be 300, and let's just say 300 into 1 plus 10% plus F4 to anchor it, and close the parenthesis, copy cross, control right. Beautiful. Let's say okay, so 439 over here. Number of floors for lease. Let's say we're constructing a building that has 5 floors and we're putting all of the floors on rent. So 5 floors it is. Total area of each floor, let's say that our floor area is of each per floor is 10,000. So total space for rent, let's say it's gonna be this 10,000 into number of floor for lease 50,000. Okay, as I said, we are not all the floor space is chargeable to rent, so we're gonna say it's 50,000 into 80%. Okay, so it's 40,000 now. Number of months, let's say it's 12 months in a year. And okay, let's go down. Occupancy rate. Okay, let's say our occupancy rate in the first year is going to be 0%. The reason for that is that we're going to construct our building in the first year, and we'll assume that it will be finished by the year end, and from year 2 we'll be charging rent. So let's put in 80%. Let's put in 80%, and okay, so this, hold on shift and press right arrow, this, and then hold on control and press R, control right. So yes, okay, let's calculate the total revenue. That's gonna be 300 into area available for rent plus F4 to anchor it, and multiply by 12 plus again F4 to anchor it, multiply by this occupancy. Okay, so this is our revenue of building 1. Let's just add more rows over here. Okay, just copy across, Control C, Control V. Let's just change its color to pink so that it's visible. Just change its name to building 2. And okay, so what's happening over here is thing to remember that since we have put anchors over here, our links have, those links where we have put anchors have not moved, so we'll just take it over here and select it and take it over here. Okay, it's building 2. Okay, let's say this is our building 2, and let's just say we're gonna build 10 floors. Okay, we're gonna build 10 floors, and the occupancy rate is going to be 75%. Let's go with 70%. It's a big building and it's hard to find tenants these days, let's be honest. And annual increase in rent, let's say it's gonna be 8%. So let's say, am I doing it right? So I haven't copied across, so let's say yes, so it has worked. Let's just check it. Are they moving? Number of floors 9. Yes. 10. Okay, so this is our building 2. Let's just add some more rows. Hold on shift and press spacebar, then hold on control, then plus shift and hold on to it, then plus key. Okay, so this space should be enough. Let's just add some more just to be sure that it's enough. Okay, so let's just copy it. Hold on shift plus spacebar, control C and control V. You don't have to copy all the rows, it's just a habit of mine to do so, but you can choose not to do so. Let's convert it to green, uh, a bit darker. Yes, so let's say it's building 3. Okay, so this is going to be smaller than building 1. Let's put it at 12%, and this is going to be a luxury apartment. So building 2 is our economical unit, this is our building 1 is our normal, and this is going to be a luxury one. So 12% increase in rent per annum, and area available rents we're gonna go say for 30%. PKR is, let's go with 500, and we're gonna be, this is going to be 2 floors, 12 months, and let's go with 60% occupancy. Again, you see the references have not been copied down. I'm just gonna go up and grab this over here. Again, this is a problem in Excel. Okay, grab this one and press enter. Control right. Okay, so this is our revenue of 3 buildings. Okay, let's just add one more. Okay, so let's go above, go above, go above, go above, and building 1, building 2, and this is our building 3. Let's just say this is building total. Control right, select second building, select this one, and control right, text equals, select this one, and control right. So this is over, as you can see, our revenue for rent. So all I just need to do is revenue, let's just say lease revenue, and press enter. So let's go to the assumptions, and alright, control right. So that's it. This is our revenue, and rest of the financial model I will be covering in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.